This is the Statistical Power Interactive Calculator, which determines the probability of detecting a true effect in your experimental studies. The calculator has 5 drop-down menus. First, Calculation Mode lets you choose what to calculate. You can calculate statistical power, required sample size, detectable effect size, significance level, or minimum detectable effect. For this demo, I'm calculating statistical power. The test type dropdown offers 2 sample t-test, paired t-test, 1 sample t-test, one-way ANOVA, 2 proportion z-test, and correlation test. I'm using 2 sample t-test. Test direction gives you 2-tailed test or 1-tailed test. I've selected 2-tailed test. Now for the input fields. I'll enter significance level alpha as 0.05, sample size per group n as 30, and effect size Cohen's d as 0.5. Statistical power and number of groups are also available fields depending on your calculation mode. After clicking Calculate, here's what we get. The calculated value shows 49.06%. The test configuration confirms 2 sample t, 2-tailed. Critical value is 1.9600 with 58 degrees of freedom. The interpretation tells us this study has a 49.1% probability of detecting an effective size. D equals 0.50 with n equals 30 per group at alpha equals 0.05. Find the link in the description below.